Yeah. No, but also I threw away like 15 points for no reason. So stupid. Go here. Could take here, but I'll just play e6. Okay, let's go here. Knight e7, simple chess, I guess. Here in a6. Alright. Goes c3. I guess I'll go knight f6. I could go knight e7 too, but I'm gonna play for a big attack in the center here, because now knight's gonna have to go back to a3 down the road. He might be disconnected here. I don't know. I guess not. Why is he so slow? This guy's like super slow. So slow. Okay, he's probably gonna resign. No, I guess not resign. He's gonna move h4, which I guess I'll go here to pressure the pawn on b2. It's a little bit superficial, but maybe it's okay. Let's pre-move rook b8. I assume I'll just go e5 here. If takes, f2 hangs. I have queen b5 check. I have rook e8. Should be winning. I think I'll take with the f pawn, maybe. Maybe. Probably I should open up the f file, so let's pre-move it. Bum bum, ba-dum bum. Okay, now I think here I should tickle him with queen b5. If I went rook e8 right away, he could have slid the king over. Now he can't. Did I just blunder again? Oh, no, I don't have e4. Still gonna win the game, but not oh my god, and that was a horrible move by me, I think. Maybe not. Okay, so we'll go here, knight b3. Use these knights, maybe. Not super enthused. Okay, how do I win this is the question. I'll go here. I still don't have a way to win this game, though, which is really annoying. Take. I have queen b3, maybe? This should be winning. But this game also is feeling rather difficult. Okay, now I just push P in. This should be pretty easy. Oh, wait, then he's got rook c3. Oh my gosh, he's got rook c3 there? Oh. Go here, force a trade. Should be winning. How do I do this? I don't really want to go b5. Maybe just like knight b3 to hook the knight. No jumps. Let's go rook e2. Takes b5, connect the chain. Rook c1. Okay, this will win. Here.